Well, this one will be a shorter explanation, and we're going to look at this next section, a brief history of the global climate change and where we are today. And we're just going to look at the first paragraph there. The first thing you could do is look at the key words, the medieval warm period. That's what the topic is when you do your Google search. For the author's name, click on the footnotes. You'll find Roy Spencer. Roy Spencer, well, they use IBID, which means the same as the last one. And Phillip Lloyd. You can Google around any of those, or either of those two, and you will find that you've got two climate denialists of kind of worldwide infamy, if you will. Here's kind of a fun website on Phillip Lloyd, Hot Whoppers. And he was a denialist of pretty, high note. And then if you search Phillip Lloyd, Roy Spencer, the medieval warming period, or even Roy Spencer with the medieval warming period, you will get what's up with, pardon me, I'm being tired. You will get Skeptical Science, and they will unpack that lie because it's a pretty popular one amongst climate denialists. And they will have a really good video at the bottom of it as well. So this should be pretty straightforward. Start with articulating the argument they're making and why it's important for this to be true for the fossil fuel industry. Then look at the concept, the medieval warm period, plus the authors, Roy Spencer, or Phillip Lloyd, or I should say. Let me go back to the top. And then, after that, put in Skeptical Science, and you'll get the rebuttal and a nice video on the explanation. Pretty straightforward, and this will be the basis for your paragraph for Wednesday.